Today we will teach you how to create a MetaMask wallet. First, you will need to add it as an extension to your browser. Therefore, we'll go to Google and search for MetaMask. Make sure to use the correct website. After that, we will download the extension and add it to our browser. MetaMask will take a few seconds to load, but it should open automatically after a while. Now we agree to the terms of service and proceed. Next, it's time to set a password. Keep in mind that the password is solely for the security of your browser. It cannot recover your wallet if you lose your passphrase, which we will see in the next steps. Now we can reveal our passphrase for the first time. It is of utmost importance to never lose it. You will need it to access your wallet and sign in on different devices, so write it down on a piece of paper to keep it offline and somewhere safe. After moving on to the next and final step, you will need to fill in the blanks in your passphrase to confirm your wallet. Read the information at the end, enable or disable browser alerts, and you are done. Congratulations! You have successfully created your own MetaMask wallet.